I'm hoping that I like it. I'm hoping that I like it. Hi everyone, how are you? Thank you so much for being here. You guys have been such an amazing support system to me these last couple of days, and I can't thank you enough. I didn't plan on filming today. Picked up my Ipsy box. I'm putting out as many videos as I can for my baby kitten, so I'm going to be filming as much and pumping out as much as I possibly can. So anyway, I don't know, I have to sit awkwardly because the little princess is on her heating pad and I am absolutely not going to disturb her to get the proper camera angle. I unfortunately pay for 3 months at a time for my Boxy, so it's not like I can even cancel for the next couple of months, you know what I mean? But, oh, how pretty. The theme this month is Born to Bloom, and look how beautiful. She looks spectacular. Hopefully there'll be something to put on this face, you know? Oh, I think I remember this. Did I put up that video? I don't think. I'm editing that video right now. It's talking about my hair mask journey. And of course, one of the options was a hair mask. Love the packaging. It's very unique. A little bit prettier than I thought. I haven't heard of the brand, but it's called Goldilocks, and it is an ultra hydrating signature hair mask. Oh, you know, it's not really quite floral. It's almost a citrusy fresh, but not quite, if that makes any sense whatsoever. I'm trying, people. I'm trying. The only thing that's going to save this is the Brazilian, and I'm not paying for that. So we're going to do this route. I don't know if I picked this. We will find out together, but, oh, and it's got a dented lid. Does it matter? No. Did I notice it? Yes. Oh, it's like dented on several sides. What, did somebody drop kick this? Here's the other dent. You can see that one. And that one. Any more? There's a scratch. Why am I paying attention to that? Shut up, Leann. This is the Elemis. Oh my goodness gracious. No, oh my goodness gracious. Is not, I can guarantee, the name of it. The Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix. I thought this was going to be a lot larger. This is only 1 ounce. 1 ounce is 30 mils. My favorite overnight from them is in the pink jar and in the purple jar. Those not only smell intoxicating, but they're thick and they're moisturizing, and I used to wear the pink one during the day. The Pro Collagen one that I have now, which is like retail $160, I cannot get that to work. As soon as I put it on top of anything else, it pills on me when I go to put my foundation on. So I kind of use that one at night. Anyway, way more information than you needed on this little product, which I don't even think I've actually tried. So we shall see. No, I no longer get the Beauty Boost. Again, trying to save money. That's an extra $15 that I can save. And I'm pretty happy with just getting my 5 items. Yeah, exactly. I do love Glow Recipe. The watermelon, the slimy one, it is slimy, but it's so good. And the scent is so good, and I love it. Haven't had it in a while. But this is the Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops. It is a tinted serum. Yes, it looks just like the Dewdrops. I want to squeeze this on my hand so I can see what the whole premise is. I'm hoping that this spreads out well. Okay, all right, you know it's not. Oh, don't mind that. It's a lot different than I thought. Anyway, it's a little tacky. Wouldn't you think that that's going to be extremely intense? Oh my goodness, I haven't gotten a Violet Voss palette in a while, or have I? Well, I can tell you one thing, I don't have this. This is beautiful. Disco Drip. Oh, it says 2024, so it's a fairly new palette. Cardboard packaging, standard. Only seems to have 1 matte, which is this chocolate brown, and the rest seem to be shimmers, some more intense than others. I would like to swatch a couple because this one seems more like a topper. One matte shade for me, oh, that looks pretty, is not ideal. Oh, there is the brown. That's a bit of a patchy swatch, but I can tell you the last palette that I swatched that was patchy actually performed very nicely. So there's that brown. What I want to do, I have to try this one because it looks different than the others as far as the texture or whatever. I'm going to put it next to the brown. Oh, it has like a bit of a pink reflect. Hopefully you can see that. I just turned down the light slightly so you can see there. I think you can see a little bit better. I also want to take that color and put it on top of the brown. And there's that. That looks kind of pretty. So with a bit of, not a shift, but you know those white shadows that have that iridescent, that's the word I was going for. Okay. I'm going to swatch the brown again. So look at how that shadow made such a difference. Try turning up the lights again. Purple looks good. You know, I sometimes struggle with like what to do with some of these. I know what to do with the purples. I mean, I know what to do with them. You know what I mean? You know, this purple applied the same way, maybe a little bit more intense. It's actually really pretty. I want to put the purple over the brown. That's the purple over the brown. It really gives different looks to that brown. Maybe that's the entire point. Now this one doesn't seem as shimmery. Oh, well, actually, I take that back. So this one is more frosty, if you can see that. Let me do this blue. I can't describe the feeling. They're not mushy. They don't feel like your typical shimmer. Oh, that's very pretty and went on nicely. One more. Let's do the green. I can't speak. Okay, that green is very pretty too. Well, they may not have swatched perfectly, but they certainly have some staying power because I'm a rub-a-dub and I know it's without any water, but still lasted quite well. Alrighty. Bet you can't guess what this is. Called Move Mist Conditioning Spray. Rose and Quartz, I think, is the brand. It's a sprayer. It has a lock on it, but what in the heck does it do? Rise above damage, frizz, and tangles. I'll take it. I'm really confused. I know the only thing that I absolutely picked was that hair mask. And I think I picked these up as an add-on. This is Beauty Creations Skin Wake Up. No, is it? No, not Wake Up. Butt Makeup Removing Wipes in, oh my goodness gracious, Hydrating Watermelon. Not bad. Not quite a Jolly Rancher, but not horrendous either. I'm going to be perfectly honest with you. When I am really tired and have had a really bad day, I just want to take this stuff off, slap some moisturizer on my face, and go to bed. I have one of these here. Do you know these are the only freaking things that my cat will eat right now? And I feed her by hand, and if that's what she wants, that's what I'm going to give her. Alrighty, so the first thing that they're talking about is the Rose and Quartz Move Conditioning Mist. It's supposed to, again, help fight frizz, tangles, and damage. It is also supposed to protect from heat and UV. It's supposed to strengthen with Facet Fix. Really? A plant-derived bond builder that helps restore hair to its virgin strength. What do you cost, kind product? This is $36. Not something that I would probably pay because of how much I would have to use. So to get it in the box is fantastic. And if I like it, hopefully it will be in, like, you know, the Boxy sales or whatever. I'm hoping that I like it. I'm hoping that I like it. You know, unfortunately, now that I'm choosing so many hair products, they're probably going to be sending me less and less makeup. So I don't know. I need to change up maybe my things, I think. Anyway, the Disco Drip eyeshadow palette. I didn't pick that. They picked that for me, as well as that hair thingy. Ooh.
That's all, folks.
This is $43. Is to me a $43 palette, at least a little bit of more effort in the packaging. I did pick the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops. Okay, these are $35, which is on par. The serum combines the brightening power of the brand's best-selling dewdrops with a sheer tint for a lasting radiant glow. I didn't even smell it. For goodness sakes, what's wrong with me? Watermelon is my favorite smell on the entire planet. This one doesn't have the original watermelon stuff smell. Gosh darn. You can use it as a serum, a primer, or mix with a foundation. Do you know what actually picked this? See, if I pick a skincare item, it means every other item is something that I truly didn't want. They call this drone peptide technology. Oh, not a fan of the scent. It's got a floral scent. Didn't I do that last time? Scent. It is nice and thick. I mean, it's absolutely a great brand and fantastic ingredients. So the fact that they're in the Boxy shop or the Ipsy shop, whatever you want to call it, is fantastic. So you know that this obviously overinflated the price of my box. Did they send me these by accident? Because I don't see them on here. Again, I picked the Goldilocks Signature Hair Mask. This is $56. Okay. It's supposed to do all of the things that a hair mask is supposed to do. I just filmed a whole section of this whole thing and did not hit record. I'm mad. No, I know I recorded this. Let me just mention everything. The Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. The Elemis Pro Collagen Overnight Treatment. These, the Beauty Creations Makeup Wipes. I was saying that they're not on the list, so I don't know how they got in here. I'm not complaining, trust you, but no, trust me. I do trust you. The Violet Voss Disco Drip Palette. The Rose Quartz Move Mist Conditioning Spray. I hope I got some of this footage. This hair mask. What I was reading is you only have to wear this for 3 minutes in the shower. You don't have to do it in the shower, but the 3 minutes, which is enough for me to use in the shower, and I'm looking forward to trying it. I mean, this is valued at, what I say, $165. The dewdrops are expensive. I have an overinflated box, but I do like my box because I'm paying just a small fraction of the cost of the items for me to try and for me to enjoy. So I am happy. I love you guys. You are so amazingly wonderful, and I'm so incredibly grateful for you, for your thoughts, for your well wishes, for your prayers for my baby. As a matter of fact, come here. Hi. Here's my tiny little princess. You see how much weight she's lost? Yeah? Yeah, you good girl? Yeah? I wanted to get her on film at least a few more times, right, baby princess? Okay, I'm not going to cry. But she loves you guys. I love you guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Say bye, baby princess. Say bye.